Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see how to install M2 SSD in Acer Aspire 3 laptop. Upgrading your Acer Aspire 3 laptop with an M2 SSD can greatly improve its performance by allowing for quicker data access and better system responsiveness. Here's a straightforward guide to help you with the installation process. Verify compatibility. Check for an M2 slot. Make sure your specific Acer Aspire 3 model has an available M2 slot. You can refer to your laptop's user manual or visit Acer's official support page for detailed specification. Determine supported SSD type. Find out if your laptop support SATA based or NVMe M.2 SSDs. This information is essential for choosing a compatible SSD. Gather necessary tools. Precision screwdriver set. Usually, you will need a small Phillips head driver. Anti-static wrist strap. This helps protect sensitive components from static electricity. Prepare your workspace. Power down and unplug. Make sure to completely shut down your laptop and disconnect it from any power sources. Discharge static electricity. Either wear an anti-static wrist strap or touch a grounded metal object to remove any static buildup. Access the internal component. Remove the back panel. Place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Locate and unscrew all necessary screws securing the back panel. Gently pry open the panel using a plastic opening tools to avoid damaging the casing. Install the M2 SSD. Locate the M2 slot. It's typically situated near the center of the motherboard. Insert the SSD. Align the notch on the SSD with the key in the M2 slot. Insert the SSD at a slight angle approximately 30 degrees into the slot. Once fully inserted, press down gently until the SSD lies flat against the motherboard. Secure the SSD. Use the appropriate screws often provided with the SSD or found within the laptop to fasten the SSD in place. Reassemble the laptop. Replace the back panel. Align it correctly and press down gently until it snaps into place. Tighten the screws. Secure all screws to ensure the back panel is firmly attached. Configure the new SSD. Boot into BIOS. Power on the laptop and immediately press the F2 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS setup. Navigate to the boot settings to confirm the SSD is recognized. Initialize the SSD in Windows. Boot into Windows. Press Windows plus X and select Disk Management. Locate the new SSD, right-click and choose Initialize Disk. Follow the prompts to set up the SSD, creating partitions as desired. Data migration, it is optional. Clone existing drive. If you wish to transfer your operating system and data to the new SSD, use reliable cloning software to duplicate your current drive onto the SSD. After cloning, set the SSD as the primary boot device in the BIOS. Here are some additional tips. Backup important data. Before starting the installation, ensure all critical data is backed up to prevent potential loss. Handle components carefully. Avoid touching the gold contactors on the SSD and other sensitive parts to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.